So welcome to this video. The ICO listing website that I personally like to deal with is CoinGecko, CoinGecko.com. So I'll show you the reason why I like to use them personally. So this is CoinGecko.com. Gecko, it looks like CoinMarketCap, but then there is something that I normally check. Look at ICO. You click on this ICO link, it opens up. Alright, there we are. Now, this is the list of their upcoming ICOs. This is ongoing ICOs, and these are ended ICOs. Okay, so you can click on any of these anytime to see their upcoming ICOs. Look at ongoing ICOs. Smart Oil Core Network. Alright, VChain is ending today, April 15th. Earth Poker and all. So go to upcoming. So basically, I'm making this video, so I want to check an ICO in the future. So whenever you want to do yours, you can always check anyone. So the ones in yellow, look at this yellow background or brown, whatever color it is. They are the ICOs that paid to be listed. You understand? Now these other ones, Concert, VR, and so on. These ones didn't pay. You understand? So these are sponsored ICOs. So, but what I normally check out in an ICO, the reason I use this website is that it gives me numbers. You see these numbers? So this number stands for YouTube. If you look at this icon here, is the YouTube icon. Shows you how many subscribers they have on their YouTube channel. This is 2,992 subscribers, Smart O, and this is 2,000 subscribers. Now these are YouTube views. So these guys have 2,000 subscribers, but their views for their video is 4,000, 6,200. and 60,000 views. You see what I'm saying? Things like this. You see, this number can help me to make a judgment to check out Dream Team. You get what I'm saying? 260,000 views. That means a lot of people have heard about them. And guess what? Concert VR, almost 600,000 YouTube views. This is crazy. All right. So the next number you want to check out is the Twitter. 8,000 Twitter subscribers. These ones have 3,000 Twitter subscribers. These ones have 282 Twitter subscribers. And then there is the Telegram. This is the most important one I like to check, because Telegram looks like it looks like WhatsApp group. You understand? But it can take up to 100,000 people. So which means that if they have a very large Telegram followers, it means that they can always reach a large number of people with their product release dates and announcements and whatever. So that's why I like Telegram. Unlike YouTube views are once in a while. You understand? Once somebody watches the video, they have watched it, they're not coming back. You can make an announcement through the video. So that's why I like Twitter. I like checking out Twitter and Telegram followers. Telegram most important, then Twitter second. Everything is either not inconsequential to me, or secondary. You understand what I'm saying? So basically, when I want to check out ICOs, I look for ICOs that have large Telegram following. That means they can raise, they can control a lot of people. They have a good support base. So we're looking at this column. So this is 7,000. Okay, this is 2,000. This is 23,000. You see, Coin Market. This is a good candidate for us to check out. 23,000. And what are they trying to do? This is their idea. Exchange cryptocurrency for real goods and vice versa. Okay, and this is a blockchain investment platform, whatever network. 23,000. You see what I'm saying? So far we have 23,000 leading, and then we can look at other ones. So I'm keeping my eye on this column. 6,000, 5,000, 22,000. Good. Accent, what are they doing? Accent is the most forward-thinking B2B platform for distributed supply chain finance, okay, and distributed trade services, okay. Looks like they're dealing with money. 22,000 sounds cool. And then we have GPN Coin, 32,000, the gambling and pawn network. Okay, 32,000 GPN Coin, good. So these are good candidates. I'm just pointing out good candidates. 70,000 Project Shivam, the global blockchain genomics ecosystem powering the next era of precision medicine. Okay. Another thing you're checking out is their idea. Does their idea seem too futuristic? If it's too futuristic, then they may never achieve it. You understand? That means even if the ICO goes life successfully, they may not be able to achieve their dream, which means the coin may not grow much after hitting the coin market cap. Remember, we checked out coin market cap. So this Telegram number shows that their ICO is probably going to be successful. You understand? Because they have a lot of people. Look at Twitter. Their Twitter is 46,000. It's awesome. Project Shivam. Sounds great. So Project Shivam is leading now. There is Abyss. The Abyss is a next generation gaming platform. 45,000 Telegram followers. Cool. And I want to let you know that these things are usually the Telegram followers at the day of the listing of this ICO. If you come and click on this icon, these are social media icons. This is Telegram. If I click on it, you'll see that it has passed 45,000 already. So here it has 45,061. As you can see, 45,467. So it has added about 300 extra or 400 extra followers. You understand? So we're looking through. Basically, we're keeping an eye on this. Seek a virtual reality platform for the 3,000 followers, okay, and so on. So generally, what you're looking at, the best kind of ICOs are usually blockchains themselves. The blockchain app store, okay, looks cool. 65,000. I think we should go with Alex. What do you think? They have a fairly good, and they are an app store sort of. They help developers to build stuff. Look at Enigma, 237,000 YouTube views. Alright, so let's go with this Alex for the day. So in the next video, I'll just click on it first. In the next video, we can start analyzing this, alright, so that we can predict how much their coin will grow. You get at the end of the day. Thank you very much. See you.